Hello friends, welcome to DBA Doctor. In this video, we are going to cover up what is SQL Server version and what is SQL Server Edition, what is SQL Server SPs, that is Service Pack, and what is the difference between SQL Server version and SQL Server RTM. So before moving ahead, I can tell you one thing. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe and support, and please watch till the end. You will get some informations. Usually people are very much confused about version, edition, and feature, and service pack, RTM. What is this actual? So one by one we can see. First of all, what is a version? Version is the upgrading the SQL Server. Let's say if you are upgrading to from older version to newer in your phone, then what you call, you are upgrading some new features. So in that version is completely cover up some new features. So in any version they are coming up with some new advanced features. Let's say in a 12 we have introduced always on, some other indexing, and some other upgrading in encryption part. So that is what in every version the SQL Server is coming some advanced feature, that is called a version. So how to identify the version? Version is very simple. For SQL Server reading, for a SQL Server machine, the version should be come in a top level. When you connect there, you can found in the connection itself some number 10 dot 0 dot something or 12 dot some series. So that is a SQL machine reading version number, and that number you can also find out in a SQL Server property, as well as C program file SQL Server. Under that 110 whatever you can able to find out. But how user can read, that is very simple. In when you connect to the SQL Server, there you have to run one command called select @ version. There you can get a complete information about current version. Then next question is, what is edition? Edition, let's say version is upgrading feature. Then what is the addition? Addition in the sense, this edition is supporting this is supporting that. Like that addition we can segregate. Let's say for a development, what all tool are required, that features are covered in a development part. And for express, let's say some person is paying some less amount or standard edition, some is suitable for a standard version, some is for enterprise. For enterprise they are giving such a huge component which is very suitable for a enterprise edition. Let's say in for an example, if you are going for a laptop or phone, in a mobile phone you have a Redmi Pro 8 Note and 8 Note Pro. So in 8 Note Pro they are giving some additional features which is present in 8 Note Pro, which is not present in a 8 Note. Like that the addition wise they are giving some more some tool which is present in enterprise, some is not present in standard, or it is very limited in a standard. Like that it is depending on the addition wise they are segregating the tool which they are providing. As if now we have covered a version as well as edition. So next one is service pack. So before moving to service pack, I can explain you more about RTM. RTM is when the server is launching a new version. Before launching to new version, they are launching the RTM. RTM is for testing purpose. RTM full form is release to manufacture. So that means the company is releasing this RTM for testing purpose. If whatever bugs the customer is finding, that for fixing that bugs, they are releasing this for a testing purpose, and this is not for a production level. This is for a testing only. RTM is completely for a testing, and after RTM, they are fixing a lot of bugs. Then only they are launching some version, SQL Server 2008 and all, and 2014, 2019, whatever version is coming. Before coming any new version, they are launching a RTM. So next question is, what is service pack? So whatever thing, whatever issue customer is facing, they are just updating to the product, Microsoft or some other product company. So in that, the company is trying to fix that issues. For all fixing a issue, they are keeping some article. That article called KBs. KB are updating like a monthly basis or routinely whatever customer is facing. If the customer is facing this kind of issue, then they are fixing with the help of KB article. So if that KB is like a bunch of KB, let's say 100, 200, like that KBs are there, then to fix that, all customer usually will face the problem, same problem. To fix that, they are generating the service pack. That is called a service pack 1, service pack 2, service pack 3, based on the requirement, based on the list of issue customer face. The company, Microsoft or some other company, are launching the service pack to fix the issues permanently. They are releasing the service pack and KBs article. Thank you so much. Today topic, I believe it is very useful for you to understand. I hope we can meet on a next topic with some interesting. Thank you so much for watching.